Hey everybody, this is Jalen with WhatJaySay, and today I will be introducing you guys to, well, some of you guys may already be hip and may be familiar with Nutter Gold. So Nutter Gold has an extensive line. Majority of the things are geared towards the health and the maintenance of our skin, largest organ on our body. They have a very extensive line, so stay tuned. So Nutter Gold has a very extensive line, ranging from all natural lotions, oils, combs, we all need combs, okay, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrushes, and many more things now that they've added a bundle of joy to their clan. So first up, we have the Ariella Altruistic Pure Hydration Cream. It says to take a small amount, apply evenly over skin. This moisturizer is the bomb. Has anybody tried this? Oh my God. If you have, let me know down in the comments. For those who haven't, a few key items or ingredients that it has neem oil, avocado butter, sweet almond butter. That alone should sell you. Crazy moisturizing. It's very silky. It leaves your skin feeling very moisturized but not sticky or tacky. For me, it lasted all day long. I really love this moisturizer. Again, like, it just gives your skin a natural like sheen. The bomb. Next, we have the Loftin Toxin Eliminating Scrub. Now, this is a bit coarse or abrasive, but when you're exfoliating, what do you expect? It is super fresh, the scent. It is very, it has a very fresh, delicious scent to it. A few key items: Himalaya pink salt. It has lemongrass essential oils. It really exfoliates deep down, removing all that dead skin, and then renewing your skin by leaving it very lustrous and moisturized. The bomb. Next, this is my favorite of the items. This is the External Yang. They're all natural deodorant. I want to take the time and show you guys what the deodorant actually looks like, so no one is surprised. You know, this deodorant is made with like all natural ingredients, so it's not going to look artificially powdery white like we're typically used to. Here, I'm just going to apply it to my skin so you can see what it looks like. Since I'm a little bit light-skinned, you'll be able to see it. When this dries, that color is gone. There's no dyes or anything in the deodorant. And here, bless me for trying my own little black shirt test. What you're seeing on the shirt is just moisture. It dries. You cannot see it once it dries. And I forgot to tag in the photo once it dries. Forgive me, y'all. I'm trying. But I don't know if you guys have ever had worn deodorant and then you wash and dry your clothes, and then when you pull that shirt back out, it still has like deodorant caked up and built up in your shirt. That is disgusting. You won't have that problem with this because it's all natural ingredients, so it washes away super easy. And ladies, if you have any issues with chafing or anything of the sort, this deodorant is also the bomb to rub on your bikini line and in your inner thighs. And when that rubs together, you get a nice fresh scent, and it will definitely help with the chafing. It's the bomb. If you guys have not gone to Nutter Gold, please make sure that you go support them. I'll have their website. I believe it's nuttergold.com. Thank you for watching. This was a very fun video review to do. I enjoyed all the products. Thank you, Nutter Gold, for providing them. And I hope you guys support this amazing Black-owned business.